See, like, this is the best part. He doesn't know I'm gonna be doing this right now. You wanna get shot? Hey.
This nigga's finna get fucked.
Lucky I don't kill your ass.
We're done.
Guys, I gotta hurry up and film this part of the video because I got a friend waiting outside. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Typhoon. Deal is, my friend Anthony said he wanted to make a video, so I just decided I'm gonna go and shoot him with a paintball gun. I got the paintball gun over here. I gotta unbox this shit. I'm gonna do it inside of the car. I got my Uber waiting for me, you feel me? See, like, this is the best part. He doesn't know I'm gonna be doing this right now. I gotta make it seem like that I'm not coming because I'm gonna pull up to his house and shoot him with a paintball gun. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We out of here. We really out of here. Like, I'm really gonna shoot this dude. Look at crispy chicken in the cut, ready to drive me over to shoot him. This is gonna be crazy. My man's asleep right here, bro. Bro, he was really asleep. I never knew I took that long. I always take long on my Uber drivers. What's up, crispy chicken? He fell asleep while eating food. That's crazy.
Just sitting here eating Mongolian.
I gotta unbox this paintball gun because I kind of have it right here and I haven't opened it yet, so it's like, oh, Anthony doesn't know that we're coming right now. You gotta distract him. I'm gonna go like hide somewhere and shoot him, bro.
So I got it, right? Here's what we're gonna do, right? I'm gonna head over there, right? And I'm gonna tell his ass, I'm gonna call him up and be like, hey, honestly, I'm hella depressed right now. I need to talk to somebody, bro. Can you just do me a favor, come outside?
So he's gonna come out and I'm gonna come around the corner and just pop, pop, pop type shit.
Come in this bitch and air that bitch out.
We gonna air him out.
We gonna air that bitch out.
Air him out. He said he wanted to film a video. Look, I got the text right here. He said, I wanna make a video. I don't know of what. I just wanna make a YouTube video.
Notice he says that like after I just dropped my video today though.
Oh. He's trying to become a YouTuber when you got two other people doing it. Now he's really gonna get shot. It looks like you're not gonna be in the picture. I don't know why. Do we have lights in here? Do we got lights in here?
They're on.
These are your lights? Oh my god. Wait. Fuck it. Bro, do y'all know how to open shit like this? You know how your earphones come in this plastic? Like, this should be impossible to open.
First off, you're using scissors, you dumbass. You're not supposed to use scissors, nigga.
Bro, how else are you supposed to open these?
Bitch, don't you know everybody uses their fucking teeth?
Oh, nigga. I don't know how to open this. Like, this is gonna be a journey.
That shit lucky hurt my teeth. Teamwork? Fuck a team, nigga. Oh, bitch ass, nigga.
Oh.
Poke check, nigga. Poke check. Ow! It cut me.
Look, we're already getting injured. We're supposed to be the ones shooting people, and we're over here getting injured trying to open up a damn paintball gun. Oh, yup. Oh, yup.
Get your ass out.
I give you that shit. Ow, fuck. I'm gonna need band-aids after this. This is all the ammo I got. So I better make my shots count. I'm thinking about shooting other people too. Chopper won't miss it, nigga. Look at this. Look how big this is. This is like the size of my arm. Who needs this, bro? It's just a barrel blocker.
Bitch, don't nobody want that weak ass shit.
So I gotta test this out before I shoot Anthony because I don't want no problems. So I gotta.
Oh, you dropped one. That's a mark.
Oh.
Where'd it go? Oh, we in your driveway? Sorry.
This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Alright. He's gonna call him right now.
I'm like really depressed right now and I needed somebody to talk to.
What's up, dog?
I was like down the street from your house.
Well, I'll be home 9:15ish. I don't have time to talk, so I know it's gonna be bad if I'm late.
Alright, then.
Hold on.
Where you at? Did I hit you?
That was a perfect setup, bro. You took advantage of my friendliness.
Don't drop my bike cameras on the car.
That shit was a buzz. Fuck you, who's next? Anthony. Put your hands in the air. Stop driving the car, nigga.
Oh. You want to get shot?
Hey. On to the next nigga.
Give me a place to hit. The trash can right here?
The trash can.
Ooh.
That's gonna hurt. Bro. Oh my god.
I'm gonna get disrespectful.
We calling our friend Axel now.
Yeah, hello?
Hey bro, what you doing?
On YouTube. Why?
You think I could come over real quick and talk to you? I don't have to come in, I just usually like come sit in the car.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I'll just come in the car just chill with you.
Alright, for sure.
Yes, sir. I can't fuck this up. I can't fuck this up, bro.
You better not fuck this up.
I'm about to hide behind these bushes, bro. There's no way I can miss this.
This nigga's finna get fucked.
Alright. Wait, what the fuck? Where is he going? Where is this dude going? Where's this dude going? I thought he was gonna pull up like right here. I'm so scared that I'm gonna miss, bro. I feel like I'm gonna miss again. I don't know where this dude's going, bro. Bro, he's going kind of far. I'm gonna have to run up on that nigga.
Ass on fire, buddy.
Get on this thing! Get on the party, nigga! Did I miss? Did I miss, bro? How did I hit that nigga?
You're the worst. I seen you like open the door, and I seen Ty come out, and I was like, oh fuck.
Oh my god, bro.
I was gonna bring my dog out too. That nigga would've killed you. We gotta go get someone now.
That's what I'm saying. We gotta go get. We gotta go get.
Aim on this bitch, Ty. Motherfucker, I really thought you were depressed.
Where y'all at right now, though?
We're on my way to Johnny's crib to pick up some shit.
You want me to just meet you at Johnny's?
Yes.
I bet.
We can get. We blasted him. We blasted everyone. We blasted everyone. I'm not missing. I'm not missing this time.
On the real though.
What?
You got a charger? Let me see that wallpaper first.
Yeah, show him the wall.
Yeah.
Blur that out. Blur that out.
Bitch, come here. What's good? Keep on my white shirt tight, bro. I was looking to beat your motherfucking ass.
Hey, right now, nigga. Hey, dog. Hey, you better put my money off for the watch this little bitch ass. It's just, nah, beat your ass, nigga. Nah, let us shoot you. You the gun then, nigga. Hold on, watch out. Oh! Fuck! Still, nigga. Stand still. Ooh! Hey, don't hit my car, nigga. Stand still then. Go in the back of his dumb. No, don't shoot him in the head. Oh!
That's hurting.
Going crazy in this bitch.
Oh my god.
Nigga's getting clapped. The fact that he shot me is the fact that my shirt was white, nigga. Nah, nigga, watch out. Stop. Keep running, nigga. Stop. Hey, stop. Fuck. What's good, nigga? Let me see the gun. Nah, the gun's being confiscated. You lucky I don't kill your ass. We're done. Chris, back up. Hey, chill. Chill.
I got neighbors. Nah, niggas, we live here.
So how does backfire to where you got shot?
I don't know, bro. Sometimes you gotta please the public. You feel me?
Hey, put me on YouTube.
Oh, I got you. Hey, pop tag right here. Pop tag right here. Bro, is it bad, bro?
Oh, fuck.
Hey, it is what it is.
Wait, it just lined my skin.
Yeah.
You still got shot.
Yeah. I really took the L in this video.
2,000 years later.
I didn't film an outro to the video, so I'm doing that like right now. You made it to the end of the video, so that means you obviously liked it. So you should just like and subscribe right under there, because this is my first video. Yes, sir. This is my first video. So I got more bangers coming on the way. I'm really out here. Alexa, who is the best YouTuber?
The boy Thai food. Easy.
Look, she even said it right now.
Like, subscribe.
Other than that, outros.